Did you know that you can easily export a page using the Notion app? In this video, I'm going to show you how to export pages using the Notion app. Now, once you're in Notion, simply go ahead and find the page that you want to export. Let me take this page right here. And let's say I want to export this page. Simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side, scroll down, and you'll find export. You tap on that, choose how you want to export it in terms of the export format. That can be CSV, HTML, or PDF, and you just can go ahead and export. So I'm going to choose PDF for this purpose. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Simple tap on export, and as you can see right now on my screen, it is currently exporting this specific page. Now I'm going to just wait for this to complete so that you can see what it looks like. Because I'm doing it in PDF, you should be able to see what it looks like. Now it also depends on how long it's going to take, guys. Once that is done, you're able to actually view the page in the format that you actually do it in. So let's just give it a few more minutes. Maybe it's going to take longer and we'll just have to skip that part, but let's just wait a few more minutes and just see it will complete, and so that you are able to view it. All right, guys, to be honest, this is taking longer than expected, but the general idea around this is that once you export this page, you'll be able to use it in whatever format you wish. So in this case, I was exporting it in PDF. As you saw before, there's CSV, there's also HTML, and you are able to do whatever you want with it. So here's an example. So let's say you export the page, you can quickly open up that page and probably save it on your Google Drive or wherever. You can send it to someone to show them what it looks like. If they don't have access to, for example, Notion to view it, you can export it as a PDF and share it as a PDF document instead. So these are some of the simple examples why you can also do it with HTML, and maybe you can use this to help to create a web page on your website as well. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is how you export a page using the Notion app on your phone. Very easy and very simple.